Welcome to this section. In this section, you are going to be look at that how to solve the Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, and Microsoft Access depth. It means that if you have a question or if you have any doubt related with the MS Office, you can ask to ChatGPT and it will find out the solution. So the first part we are going to be look at that how can we find out the solution if you have a problem with the Microsoft Excel, or if you stuck with the Microsoft Excel to find out the correct formulas, function, or any things, you can ask to ChatGPT and it will find out the solution. I'm going to give the example. So I'm going to go to the ChatGPT. I'm going to close this window, and I'm going to close this window. I'm going to close this window. And I'm going to click the new chart because this is the mathematical problem. So now I'm going to click the new chart. The new chart, I'm going to ask the question that related with the Microsoft Excel. So I'm going to open the Microsoft Excel. Right. I'm going to put that name marks. Right, student marks and name Sami, Raja, Ramesh, and Rahim. Right, I have add marks, and I'm going to put the marks here. I'm going to put the marks 25, 56, 39, and 98. Right. So I want to sum the value of these marks, right? So how can we sum the value of these marks? If you don't know how to sum the value of these marks, you can ask to ChatGPT, right? I'm going to ask ChatGPT. I'm going to open the ChatGPT and I'm going to ask, I want to sum the value from B2 to B5, right? So B2 to B5 in Excel, right? So I'm going to click this button, and you can see that I want to sum the value from B2 to B5 in Excel. It will give the solution. To sum the value from cell B to B5 in Excel, you can use the sum function. The formula would be equal to sum B2 into B5, right? You can enter the formula into the cell where you want to be sum to appear, and it will add the value in a B2 through B5. So now I'm going to copy this formula, and I'm going to paste it where I want to add the value. Here I'm going to put the total, and I'm going to paste it here, Control V, and I'm going to hit enter. You can see that the total value we have find out. So if you have a problem with Microsoft Excel, you can ask to ChatGPT and it will find out the solution. As well, here is the total, but I want to get that average value also. How can we get the average value? I'm going to put that here is average. So the same question I'm going to asked to ChatGPT, right? So but it should be the average. I'm going to copy here and I'm going to paste it here. I want to get the average value. I want to get average value, right? Average value from B2 to B5 in Excel, right? It will give the solution. To get average value from cell B2 to B5 in Excel, you can use the average function. The formula it would be average B2 to B5. So I'm going to copy this average, these functions, and I'm going to paste it into here. and I am going to be paste it here, Control V, and I am going to be hit. I can see that average is 54.5. That is the average. Likewise, I am going to be bold this one, and likewise I want to get the count. How many students, right? Get this score. So the same example I am going to be put it here. Same example, right? I am going to be copy this question and I am going to be paste it here. I want to count, right? I want to count from B2 to B5 in Excel. So I am going to be click here, and you can see that to count the number of cells that contain value cell B2 to B5 in Excel, you can use the count function. So the count A function, it will appear, and I am going to copy and I am going to paste it here. And I am going to be hit OK. So you can see that there are 4 students are available. So count, there are 4 students are available. So this is how, if you have a doubt related with the Microsoft Excel, you can ask to ChatGPT. I just explained the simple example for Microsoft Excel, but if you have a complex example also, you can ask to ChatGPT. It will give the solution, right? So this is how, if you have a problem with Microsoft Excel, you can use ChatGPT to find out the solution